Hello everyone, welcome to Study for Knowledge Institute. In today's video, I am going to discuss Chapter 3 of Class 10, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. The question that I have taken is from Exemplar and the question is of MCQ type. So let's start this. So this is about me, you can pause and read. Let's move to the next one. Yeah, so we will first discuss sample question, so which is given in the book itself. So sample 1. So the pair of linear equation that is given to you is this and this. Has to understand this, first we need to write this in standard form, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and then we have to write 3x minus 9y minus 24 over 5 is equal to 0. Now we have the standard form, so what I will do, I will write the ratio 5 over 3 is equal to negative 15 over negative 9 is equal to negative 8 over negative 24 over 5. So negative negative will get cancelled. So I will be writing this as like 3, 5, 3, 3, 3, 3 it will not, 1 and 3. So this 5 will go up. So we will have 5 over 3 is equal to 5 over 3 is equal to 5 over 3. So in this case we have all the ratios same, like a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. If this is the case, then we have infinite many solutions. They are coincident line. Okay. Now sample question 2. The sum of digits of two-digit number is 9. So let's assume the two-digit number that we have is xy. So x plus y is given to you as 2. If 27 is added to it, so if you add 27, the number gets reversed, right? So they are asking what number it is, right? Oh my bad, the sum of the two-digit number is 9 given to you, right? So let's see. So we know that like if someone give you 17, you can write this as 10 plus 7. How you have written 10 plus 7? Because 1 is at 10 place, so you multiply with 10, and 7 is at unit place, you multiply with 1. Same thing we'll do here. I will do 10x plus x plus 27 is equal to 10y plus x. So I'll be writing this as 9y minus 9x is equal to 27. So I will be writing this as y minus x is equal to 3. Okay, so one value I got is x plus y is equal to 9. The other value I got is y minus x is equal to 3. So x plus y is equal to 9, and yeah, minus x plus y is equal to 3. If you will add these two, this will get cancelled. You will get 2y is equal to 12, y is equal to 6. The moment you get y is equal to 6, you will get x is equal to 3. Okay, so the number is, so initially what was the original number? The original number was xy. So xy value is 36. So answer to your question is D. Okay, so these were the sample question that was given in the book. Now let's solve the exemplar problem based on MCQ. So the first question is, graphically the pair of equation and thus represent two lines which are, let's see what behavior they are showing by seeing the ratio. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, and 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now just look at the ratio. 6 over 2 is equal to minus 3 over minus 1 not equal to 11 over 9. So this is 1. So we got 3 upon 1 is equal to 3 upon 1 not equal to 11 over 9. So what type of line it is? These are parallel lines, right? Because we are having a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, so these are parallel lines, they are never going to intersect. Okay, so the option is D. Yeah, let's do the next question. The pair of equation this and this have, so x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, and minus 3x minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0. Take the ratio 1 over minus 3 equal to 2 over minus 6 is equal to 5 over 1. So this 1 over minus 3, this can be written as 1 over minus 3. So 1 over minus 3 is equal to 1 over minus 3 is equal not equal to 5. Okay, so this is not equal to. So this case is for parallel line, right? And the previous one, the same thing is there also, right? 3 over 1 is equal to 3 over 1, not equal to 11 over 9. So here is the same case where first two terms are equal. So that is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. So this is a parallel line, so we are not going to get any solution, so no solution. Okay. Now question number 3. If a pair of linear equation is consistent, what do you mean by consistent? Like it will have either unique solution or infinite many solution. Finite solution, because the other one, the other terminology is inconsistent. Inconsistent is the, like when you get no solution, that is for parallel line. Okay, so unique solution and infinite many solution. So in unique solution gives you intersecting line, okay, and infinite solution give you coincident line. So option C is the correct one. Now the pair of equation y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 7. So let's draw this line. This is x and this is y. So the x-axis is y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 7 is down there somewhere. So they are parallel lines, so they are never going to intersect. So no solution in this case. Okay. Now the pair of equation x is equal to x is equal to a, y is equal to b graphically represents line which are, this is x, this is y. If I draw x is equal to a, this is the line. If I draw y is equal to b, this is the line. So they will intersect at a comma b. So it is going to intersect at a comma b. Okay, let's do the next question. For what value of k do the equation this and this represents coincident line? Like if we know it is a coincident line, like it is already given it is a coincident line, for that we need to get this value of k. So the ratio should be the same, right? 3 over 6, first write down in the proper format. 3x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0, and the other one is 6x minus ky plus 16 is equal to 0. Now you can take the ratio. 3 over 6 is equal to minus 1 over minus k is equal to 8 over 16. So minus minus get cancelled. So now we can equate this. So 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over k. So value of k will be 2. Okay, 1 is equal to 1, k is equal to 2. Yeah. Let's do the next question. If line given by this and this are parallel, it is not given that it is like coincident, it is just given that parallel. So let's write this in standard form. 3x plus 2ky minus 2 is equal to 0, and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. So ratio will be 3 over 2 is equal to 2k over 5 not equal to minus 2 over 1. Okay, so let's compare these two. So 3 over 2 is equal to 2k over 5. So value of k will be, so multiply 5 here and divide 2 here. So the value of k will be 15 over 4. Okay, so answer is C. Let's do the next question. The value of C for which pair of linear equation have infinite many solution? To have infinite many solution, and like the ratio should be the same, right? So first write down in the standard form. Cx minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Sorry. 6x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so if I take c over 6, is equal to minus 1 over minus 2 is equal to minus 2 over minus 3, and it is saying that it has infinite many solution. For infinite many solution, we are having like a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. In this case we are having 1 upon 2, in this case we are having 2 over 3. So they are never going to like coincident unless and until it is not coincident, it is not going to give you infinite many solution. It means that these two are not equal, so obviously you are not going to get infinite, so no value of c exists. Okay, in that case, so one equation of pair of dependent linear equation is this, the second equation is this. So first write down this in standard form. So minus 5x plus 7y minus 2 is equal to 0. So dependent is what? One can be written in the form of other. If I multiply k with this minus 5x plus 7y minus 2 is equal to 0. If I multiply, because I am seeing 10 and minus 10. So if I multiply with k is equal to 2 or minus 2, let's multiply k with 2 first. So if you multiply k with like k as assuming as 2, so you will get minus 10x plus 14y minus 4 is equal to 0. If you multiply with minus 2, you will get plus 10x minus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now see which option out of these two is matching among the option. So minus 10 plus 14, so it is not matching. Minus 10 minus 14 not matching. Minus 10 plus 14 minus 4, it is not matching. 10x minus 14y, and if this minus 4 get transferred to this, it becomes plus 4 equal to 0. So yeah, this is matching, so answer D is the answer. Okay, let's do the next question. A pair of linear equation has a unique solution x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. Now you have two options. You have to solve all the question, like all the equation, or you can substitute and see which is valid. So I think if you can solve it, since you are learning now, so if you can solve all these, so that will help you to understand how to solve these equation by elimination method quickly. So let's do it very fast. X plus y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 5. So here I multiply with like the above one with minus 2, so minus 2 minus 2y and plus 2 I will get. So if I will solve this get cancelled. Minus 5y equal to minus 3. So value of y will be 3 by 5. So I have minus 3. So this is invalid. So I will discard this. Let's solve the next one. 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 11 and 4x plus 10y is equal to minus 22. So if I multiply with the upper with 2 minus 2, so it will become minus 4x minus 10y minus 22 plus 22, because I am multiplying with minus 2. So if I add, it becomes 0 is equal to 0. So it is a coincident line, so it is not going to give the same solution. So it is not a unique solution. Now if I can solve this, let's see. Yeah. So we have 2x minus y is equal to 1 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. So if I multiply upper one with positive 2, so this will become 4x minus 2y is equal to 2. Okay, I multiply this with 2, so I got 7x is equal to 2, x value is 2 over 7. So this is also not correct, so A, B, C is discarded. The last one, we are left with only last one. That should be the answer, but let's solve it rather than just selecting the option. X minus 4y is equal to 14 and 5x minus y is equal to 13. So if I multiply the upper one with, let's say multiply with 5, so this becomes multiply with minus 5, so this becomes minus 5, this becomes plus 20, this becomes minus 70. Okay, so if I all add all these, I will get this get cancelled, this becomes 19y, this becomes minus 57. So value of y will be minus 3. The moment I get y is equal to minus 3, I will substitute in 1. So 5x plus 3 is equal to 13. So I get 5x is equal to 10, x is equal to 2. Now it is satisfying this given condition. So yeah, answer is D. Like I could have just substituted in any of them and I could have checked it, but I just wanted you to understand how to like use the elimination method. So that way you learned elimination method too, and you also learned how to solve this question and how to approach this question too. Okay, let's move to the next question. If x is equal to a, y is equal to b is the solution of this equation, then the value of a and b. So it is, see what we have learned in previous question, that we are going to apply directly. X minus y is equal to 2 is given to you, and x plus y is equal to 4 is given to you. If you will simply add this, y get cancelled to x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. The moment you get x is equal to 3, you are going to get y is equal to 1 by substituting it any of the equation. Okay, so a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 1. Let's do the next question. Aruna has only rupee 1 and rupees 2 coin with her. If the total number of coins she has is 50, so I don't know how much coin I have of 1 and how much coin I have of 2. So let's assume this as x and y. So total coin is given to you as x plus y is equal to 50. Okay, now they are saying that the amount of money she is having is 75. So rupee 1 coin is how much with her x. Rupee 2 coin, how much she has is y. So total amount of rupee 1 will be x times 1 is 1. X times 1 is x and 2 times y is 2y. If you will add these two, they are having like rupees 75 in total. Okay, so x plus y is equal to 50 and x plus 2y is equal to 75. So let's simplify it. So if I multiply minus in the second one, I will get minus this, minus this, minus this. So this get cancelled, this becomes minus y is equal to minus 25. So value of y I got is 25. So the moment I got y is equal to 25, I will get x is equal to 25. Okay, so the answer is D. I think this is the last question. So let's do this. The father ages 6 times his son age. So there is a father, there is a son. So let's assume the age of father is y, the age of son is x. So in the present scenario, age of father is 6 times the age of son. 4 years hence, like after 4 years, the age of father will become y plus 4, the age of son will become x plus 4. The age of father will be 4 times his son age. So like father age will be just 4 times the son age after 4 years. Okay, so if I simplify this, I will be getting, okay, so this is what I will get. Now I know from the first equation y is equal to 6x. So I will substitute here. So 6x minus 4x is equal to 12. So I will be getting 2x is equal to 12 and x I will be getting is 6. Okay, so the present age in years of the son and father will be, so x son age is 6 years, father age will be 6 times x, right? So 36. So son age will be 6 and father age will be 36. So answer is C. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching the video. So we discussed pair of linear equation in two variable in this video. So if you like the video, please like it and share among your friends, and if you have any doubt you can ask in comment section, and if it helps, do subscribe before leaving, and so that you can get the notification and all for the next video. So bye, take care, see you in the next video.